Hi everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'll show you how to transpose columns into rows. Or in other words, how to flip your data so that columns become rows and rows become columns. This is really handy if you've built your spreadsheet one way, but later realized the layout should be the opposite. Maybe you started listing information horizontally, but now want it vertical. No need to rebuild your whole file. Excel can do this for you in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Step 1. Select the data you want to transpose. Here I've got a simple spreadsheet. It's a personal movie collection. The movie titles are listed across the top, and the details like genre, rating, and release year are listed in columns. But let's say I decide I'd rather have these titles listed down the side, vertically, instead of across the top. To do that, the first step is to select the range of data you want to transpose. Click in the upper left corner of your data range, then drag down to the lower right corner. In my case, this small block of movie information is all I want to transpose. If you wanted to flip the entire spreadsheet, you could select everything by clicking the small triangle button in the top left corner of your sheet. But for this example, we'll just focus on the data we need. Step 2. Copy the data. Once the data is selected, copy it. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard, or by right-clicking and choosing Copy. Now, instead of pasting it right on top of your existing data, which could get messy, let's do this on a new sheet so everything stays clean. Step 3. Create a new sheet and paste special. At the bottom of Excel, click the plus icon to add a new sheet. I'll rename this one Sheet 2, just to keep things organized. Next, click into cell A1, where you want the new version of your data to appear. Now here's the key step. Instead of using a regular paste, we're going to use Paste Special. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Click the small arrow under Paste. Choose Paste Special from the menu. In the dialog box that appears, check the box that says Transpose, and then click OK. And that's it. Your data is now flipped. Columns are now rows, and rows are now columns. Step 4. Clean up your new layout. You'll probably notice that some of your text doesn't quite fit into the new column widths. Here's how to fix that quickly. Highlight all your columns by clicking and dragging across the column letters at the top. Then double-click on any line between the column headers. Excel will automatically resize everything so your data fits perfectly. If you'd rather have all your columns the same width, you can just click and drag between the headers to set a consistent width manually. Bonus tip. How to transpose back. If you ever change your mind, no worries. You can easily transpose it back. Highlight the new data, range, copy it using Ctrl+C. Go to another blank sheet or a blank area. Right-click, choose Paste Special, and again tick Transpose. And just like that, you're back to your original layout. And that's how you transpose columns into rows, or rows into columns, in Excel, all without retyping or rebuilding your spreadsheet. It's a simple trick, but one that can save you loads of time when you're reorganizing data or reformatting templates. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Sheet Leveler, for more quick practical Excel tutorials. I'm Hannah, and I'll see you in the next video.